they call it in Arabic, dakous, spicy. But in English, tomato, spicy sauce. So the ingredient is, I think, 1 kilo, half kilo of chili, green or red, it's okay. Onion, maybe big one or two. Tomato, 2.5, the big one. And then garlic and ginger. We mix all together, grind. We mix all together.
Kaunti mo na.
Ito muna.
Yan, tapos i-grind mo na. Okay.
Adik. Okay. You simmer. Boil it until dry, and then after dry, put a little bit oil, and then Maggi, white pepper, black pepper, and then salt.
Okay.
For this dakous, okay, that spicy sauce. Okay, I will add oil, cooking oil. One spoon, this one, white pepper. Maggi, this one hipon, shrimp Maggi. Black pepper. Salt. It's depend your taste, okay? Leave it, cook for 5 minutes, then the dakous is ready. Later, you will see what finished product. Oh, spicy. Okay. Here's the finished product of dakous. Dakous in Arabic, for Cameroonian, pepper. Okay, thank you for subscribing.